There we go.
Hey, this is Rich from houseburns.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to show you how to remove a screw that's been stripped. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Avi? On this project, we were just trying to flip this dryer door so that it used to be over here and the homeowner wanted it on this side. And then as it turned out, it wasn't able to flip. So anyway, the whole deal was this screw right here got stripped when we were trying to remove it. And the screw head, it was so shallow and it really had no chance. So they gave us a very poor screw to deal with. So now today we've got to figure out how to get this screw out. And so
Caleb is the man. He has the proper tools to do this job. And what are you going to be using?
All right, so today I brought with me a left-handed drill bit set, which basically just means that the cutting edge or the spiral of the drill rotates the opposite way. And this is so that when you're drilling out this screw, it's forcing it to unscrew at the same time. So sometimes you can get lucky and you don't have to drill all the way in and the drill bit will bite it and just take it out with it. If we don't get lucky, then we'll just have to drill it straight through and pull out the fragments. So that's what we're up against. Alright, so I think we are going to go with this drill bit. This is about the size screw that we're going to be drilling out. A good way to do this is to just lay the drill bit on top of the screw if you have an extra one and make sure that you can see the screw threads from behind the drill bit. That way you know that your drill bit is going to be just the size of the core of the screw. We could use a smaller one, but I'm going to try and see if this bigger one will catch the beefier portion of this screw in here and undrill it.
yeah, so we're using our dewalt 20 volts cordless XR drill, and this thing is fabulous. We're Amazon affiliates and we do earn a small commission from qualified purchases. So we're going to put a link in the description below for this exact drill, and we use it all the time and it is fabulous.
What you want to do also is get some penetrating oil or WD-40 or some type of lubricant to put on your drill bit, because they'll heat up while you're doing this, and if you're putting too much pressure on them, they can snap. So pretty easily. I've done it with quite a few of these, so just make sure that periodically you soak the drill bit. Alright, now for this part, you want to make sure that you're hitting it as straight on as you possibly can. So otherwise you're going to be drilling into other parts of the, appliance or whatever the screw is in. Also with these left-handed drill bits, you're going to want to make sure that your drill is in reverse, and that is the way that they turn. So here we go. Give a smaller one a shot.
Avi's come in to try to help.
So now that we have got our hole started with one of these skinnier drill bits, you can continue to keep drilling that core out, but I'm gonna just try to switch it up to a larger drill bit and see if that will catch some of the meat on that screw still and back it out. It looked like it was going there for a second. Just keep stepping it up.
So you're just using larger and larger drill bits?
Yeah, because once it starts to dig out metal, that's usually when it's not gonna grab it. So you just kind of want to go slow and apply a decent amount of pressure. There we go.
Hey, look at you. Awesome.
Alrighty. That is how you get out a strip screw.
Perfect.
Now be really careful because there's a bunch of metal shavings everywhere, so make sure you clean all those up.
All right, so here's the screw that got drilled out. It's pretty cool. You can see the hole in there. All right, so Caleb's little trick here using the left-handed drill bits was astonishing, and it worked perfectly. And I think the secret of it was he just kept moving up in the size of the actual drill bit itself. And so anyway, I hope this helped. And if you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button. It helps out our channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. And we'll see you in this video.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Avi?